Hello, and thank you very much for tuning into the joyful tune-in little mini reminders and activations that we have been presenting. We are doing these joyful tune-ins for several reasons. One, to help you to remember what you know, helping you to know in a new way what you already know. Also, these tune-ins are like reminders for you to put your focus in certain areas that are applicable for that day as you tune in. We keep them short so the mind doesn't have to be engaged, or you can directly feel and align with the tune-in. We're also doing this because, well, it's just part of my nature. It's part of my calling to support and help all of you that are going through your evolutionary process, going through your personal inner planetary shift and changes. We're also doing these tune-ins to help you to stay aligned with your original timeline, with your original soul signature, divine blueprint, soul purpose, soul destiny, soul pathway. And we're also doing this because it's also healing to remember to tune in and to create again that which you wish to experience in your life, that which you wish to manifest. You are all servers of the light, shall we say. You are here because you care about humanity, you care about the planet, and you care about where this planet is going in its evolutionary process. And always remember that as you ascend on the spiral of life, so is the planet, so is Gaia spiraling upwards to become her ultimate destination as a star, as a sun, as a galactic presence, shall we say. So we hope that these tune-ins are valuable for you in that it's helping you to remember what you remember to know. Knowing is very powerful. Knowing brings you freedom. Knowing creates that state of safety and security. And I suppose we are doing these joyful tune-ins to help, how shall we say, lessen and reduce the fear of the unknown, of moving into, for some of you, totally new spaces, inwardly and outwardly. So again, trust is very important. Trust that you are lovingly supported 24/7, and that you can reach out for help and loving support. It's the power of asking, the power of asking. It's the great ask. Ask and you shall receive. Knock and the door shall be opened. And one last reminder of these joyful tune-ins. Inherent within all these tune-in is this whole perspective of seek ye first the kingdom within, and all things shall be granted unto thee. And that you are indeed divine creator manifesting in form. So thank you once again for tuning in, and we hope that you continue to tune in as needed. And remember to have a great life, a life worth living, a life being fulfilled with very bright light and love. So until next time, many blessings from the quantum, many blessings from the cosmos.